You can load contacts from multiple sources to build and enrich the contact master data in SAP Hybris Marketing Cloud. Let's have a look at some system landscape examples. You want to load contact data from your SAP Cloud for Customer system. To enable the data load, you need to configure the data source as an origin. For step-by-step instructions, see the video about how to configure the data load. Based on the origin in our example, the system can identify the transferred contact data as SAP Cloud for Customer business partners. Let's assume you have two SAP Cloud for Customer systems. Can we use one origin for both sources? No, the data loads would overwrite each other because of ID clashes. You have to have one origin per data source. What about different types of data load? For example, OData and CSV file upload. It doesn't matter how you load the data. If it's still the same source, use the same origin. Another example, you have an ERP system with data for two entities. Do you configure one origin or two origins? You need to configure two origins, one for contact and one for customer. And note, the middleware is not the data source. A last example. You want to import contact data from two web shops using CSV upload. As you may expect by now, two different sources. That means you need to configure two different origins. You can find out how to check the results of your data load in the video about best practices using marketing data stewardship.